Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today, we are going to make a very special and delicious dessert. It is called mango tiramisu. Many of you know the classic Italian tiramisu, which is made with coffee, but this version is a wonderful twist for all the mango lovers out there. It combines the creamy, rich texture of traditional tiramisu with the sweet, tropical flavor of ripe mangoes. This dessert is perfect for summer parties, family get-togethers, or just as a special treat for yourself. It is completely eggless and does not use any coffee, making it a great choice for everyone, including children and those who prefer to avoid caffeine. This mango tiramisu is a no-bake dessert, which means you do not need an oven to make it. This makes it very easy and convenient, especially during hot weather when you don't want to heat up your kitchen. Before we start making our mango tiramisu, it is very important to gather all the ingredients and tools we will need. Having everything ready in one place makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. For this recipe, you will need some fresh and some pantry items. First, the star of our dish, the mangoes. You will need about 2 large, ripe and sweet mangoes. Alfonso, Quesar. If you cannot find them, any sweet, ripe mango will do the job just fine. Make sure they are soft to the touch, but not mushy. Next, for the creamy layers, we need mascarpone cheese. You will need about 250 grams, or about 1 cup of mascarpone cheese. You will also need 200 milliliters, about 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Make sure the cream is well chilled, as this will help it whip up nicely into stiff peaks. For sweetness, we will use about half a cup of powdered sugar, a little bit of vanilla extract, about 1 teaspoon. For the base layers, you will need a pack of ladyfinger biscuits. Finally, let's talk about the tools. Using a glass dish is great because it allows you to see the beautiful layers of your dessert. Now that we have all our ingredients, our first step is to prepare the mangoes. This is a very important step. The flavor of our tiramisu depends heavily on the quality of our mango puree. Start by washing the 2 large mangoes thoroughly under running water. Pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel. Now we need to peel the mangoes. Use a sharp peeler or a knife to carefully remove the skin. Once the mangoes are peeled, cut the flesh away from the large seed in the center. Try to get as much of the sweet, juicy flesh as you can. After cutting the flesh, divide it for the puree and for garnish and layers. Take about 1½ mangoes worth of flesh, cut it into rough chunks. The remaining half of a mango, cut into small, neat cubes. Keep these small mango cubes aside in a small bowl for later use. Place the mango chunks into your blender or into your food processor. We want to make a smooth and silky puree without any lumps. If your mangoes are very sweet and ripe, you might not need to add any sugar. However, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar to the blender. Blend the mango chunks until you have a completely smooth and flowing puree. We will divide this puree for 2 different uses. Take about half of the puree and pour it into a shallow dish. This portion will be used for dipping our ladyfinger biscuits. With our mango puree ready, it is time to prepare the heart of our tiramisu, the creamy, dreamy mascarpone filling. This filling needs to be light, airy, and full of flavor. To start, take your large mixing bowl. Make sure the bowl is clean, dry, and chill the bowl and beaters in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Pour the 200 milliliters of cold, heavy whipping cream into the chilled bowl. Begin to whip the cream on medium speed using your electric beater. Continue whipping the cream until it starts to thicken and form soft peaks. Once you reach the soft peak stage, gradually add the ½ cup of powdered sugar while continuing to beat the cream. Also, add the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract at this point. Continue to beat the mixture on high speed until you have stiff peaks. Be careful not to overbeat, or the cream might turn into butter. Now, in a separate bowl, take the 250 grams of mascarpone cheese. The mascarpone should be at room temperature. Use a spatula or a spoon to gently whisk the mascarpone cheese for a few seconds, just to loosen it up. Take the bowl with the loosened mascarpone cheese. Add half of the mango puree that we had reserved for the filling. Gently fold the puree into the mascarpone until it is just combined. Now, take this mango mascarpone mixture and add it to the bowl of whipped cream. Using a spatula, gently fold everything together until you have a uniform, pale yellow and fluffy cream. Your delicious mango cream is now ready. Now for the most exciting part, assembling our beautiful mango tiramisu. This is where we bring all our prepared components together to create a stunning dessert. Take your 8 by 8 inch glass dish or a trifle bowl. First, add a thin layer of mango cream to the bottom. Spread about 1/4 of the cream evenly on the base. This prevents sticking and gives a creamy foundation. Next, prepare the ladyfinger layer. Take 1 ladyfinger at a time. Dip it quickly into the mango puree, about 1 to 2 seconds per side. Don't soak them. They'll get soggy and fall apart. Aim for moist, not dripping. Place the dipped biscuit in a single layer on the cream. Continue dipping and arranging side by side until covered. Break biscuits to fill small gaps as needed. Once the biscuit layer is complete, add another 1/4 of the mango cream. Spread it evenly with a spatula and smooth it level. Now sprinkle about half of the small mango cubes over the cream. This adds fresh fruit surprises in every bite. Repeat layers. Another layer of dipped ladyfingers on top of the mango cubes. Add another 1/4 of the cream and spread evenly. Sprinkle the remaining mango cubes over this layer. Top with the last of the mango cream. Spread the final layer smoothly, covering the entire top. Your tiramisu is now fully assembled. Your mango tiramisu is assembled and it already looks amazing. But there is a very crucial step that you must not skip: chilling. Tiramisu, whether it is the classic coffee version or our mango version, needs time to set. The chilling process allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. So, cover your dish with plastic wrap, making sure the wrap touches the surface of the cream to prevent a skin from forming, or simply cover the dish tightly. Place the covered tiramisu in the refrigerator. It needs to chill for at least 6 to 8 hours. I highly recommend chilling it overnight. This extended time allows all the wonderful flavors to deepen and come together in perfect harmony. The mango flavor from the puree will infuse into the cream and the biscuits. Patience is key here. I know it is tempting to dig in right away, but trust me, the wait is completely worth it. After the tiramisu has been chilled and is nicely set, it is time for the final decoration. This is your chance to make the dessert look as good as it tastes. A simple and elegant way is to decorate the top with the remaining fresh mango cubes. For an extra touch of elegance, you can also add a few fresh mint leaves. Dust the top lightly with some powdered sugar using a small sieve. The decoration is all up to your creativity. Serving your homemade mango tiramisu is a moment of pride. After all the love and effort you have put into it, it is time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. To serve, use a sharp knife to cut a neat slice. Since the tiramisu is well chilled, it should hold its shape nicely. Use a cake server or a wide spatula to lift the slice carefully from the dish. The beautiful layers will be visible from the side: biscuit, cream, fruit. When your guests take their first bite, they'll taste soft, cake-like biscuits, light and airy mango cream, sweet chunks of fresh mango. The combination of textures and the balance of sweet and tangy flavors make it an unforgettable experience. If you have leftovers, storing the mango tiramisu is very simple. Just cover the dish tightly with plastic wrap. It can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 days. Many people find it tastes even better on the second day, as the flavors continue to melt. This mango tiramisu is more than just a dessert. It is a celebration of flavors and a simple twist on a classic. Please try this recipe and share the joy. Happy cooking!